Spagna. I have to tell you something. I'm so happy. Tell you something. I've been living in Sedona for almost a year, which I'm about to leave, sadly. However, we've been in a drought and there's been a lot of fires. The first time I've ever been around fires that are so pervasive. And a week ago, it was a little over a week ago, they started. And people in Sedona were very scared, naturally. People in Cottonwood were scared. And I tapped into my guidance, my connection with what I channel, and I was told Sedona will not be evacuated and you'll be fine for as long as you're here. Nothing to worry about. I didn't worry, but I did some prayers. And finally I was like, we're not getting any rain. So this morning, I did what I know how to do, that I teach at the Sacred Crystal Retreat. And it worked! Only a few hours later, it's pouring. It's pouring rain. Now I know there's a lot of people in Sedona who have been praying for rain, but I just want to say, in my personal hologram, this morning, I took all of the emotion, because I'm a water sign with a lot of water, and I pulled it all up, brought it up over the city of Sedona, and poured it down. And this is the first time in a whole year I miss the rain of Florida. It's pouring. Yay! It's pouring. And my little doggy's happy too. Listen, we think we can't affect the weather, but we have so much power within us. In my crystal retreat in Arkansas, I've been teaching people how to play with the weather. Because if humanity understood how to play with the weather, and work with the laws of nature, in harmony with the laws of nature, and also work with the laws of the universe, which are quantum laws, laws of the quanta, we can all create the perfect weather patterns for humanity. We can clear up the earth. We can heal the earth. I proved it. I couldn't believe it. This is the most rain I've seen in the entire year, and it was the first time I did that since I've been here. The same stuff I teach. While I'm on the Crystal Retreat in Arkansas, I've taught it to all the participants there, and it really works. And it's so fun because we work in harmony with the laws of nature, and we work in harmony with the laws of the universe, and we can heal the whole earth. Today, I will say in my little quantum reality, I created rain for the whole of Sedona. I will take credit because I don't know, I was praying for a year. I don't think I was out of alignment with what anyone else wanted because everyone else was praying for it. All I know was that I did create rain today. Yay, it was so fun. I love the rain. In Florida, we used to get it all the time. I didn't get it the whole time I lived here. So excited. So if you would like to learn more about crystals and the Crystal Retreat and playing with the rain, hey, Therese. I would love to teach you. Please join us at the next Crystal Retreat in Arkansas. It may be the last one because next year I'm being guided and told I'll be doing different things. Not sure what's next, but I do know in September we'll be going to Arkansas and we will be learning to work with the weather, play with the weather, and create desirable weather for the whole of humanity. Please join me. You can head over to LoriSpagna.com under the Live Events tab and see all the details about joining us in Arkansas for the Sacred Crystal Retreat. I also want to tell you something else, and that is this, that if you're afraid of traveling or of money, we work on that stuff too while we're at the Crystal Retreat, because the only way to be on planet Earth right now is fearless. And if you're carrying any fear about traveling, about masks, about vaccines, by the way, I am going to do another training, two more trainings today I want to do. One about something to do with being in opposition versus being in divine alignment. I'll do that after this. And then one more about healing for the vaccines. So you'll see that afterwards. But I just want to say, if you're carrying any fear or anxiety, the only way to be on planet Earth right now is free and liberated from that stuff. So please, please, join us for the Crystal Retreat, because we're mask-free in Arkansas. We're in the middle of a national lake, national park, where it's free and open. We're on a private part of that. in a beautiful set of cabins on a lake, and all the cabins have beautiful lake views and full kitchens, and they're very high-end luxury cabins, even though they're in the middle of nature. And they all have jacuzzis on the lake, and we play with the weather, and we play with the crystals, and we activate our DNA, and we learn how to be telepathic with all of life and all of existence, especially the crystals, and how to use them for DNA activations. So good. So we transmute fear, because there really is no reason to be afraid. It's all vibrational. So when we're around those beings and that frequency bandwidth of vibrational harmony with the purest and highest, we are immune and impervious to the density of fear-based realities. When you learn how to do all of this, got to be fear-free. We're mask-free and living free. And I hope you will join us. So head over to LoriSpagna.com, learn more about the Crystal Retreat under the Live Events tab. And also, please go for your free gifts about crystals and how to use them at LoriSpagna.com/free gifts/crystals. And with that, I'm going to go out. It's a little subsiding. I'm going to go play in some puddles and enjoy the rain. Okay? Love you so much. See you next time. Bye.